Are we good? What's good? What is good? What's up, JXD fam? First vlog. We're gonna do some exciting stuff today. Probably skateboard around. I don't know. My cousin's coming over, so we have to prank her. I got an air horn downstairs, so it's gonna be lit. Sorry if I look bad. I just woke up. I don't know, let's get right into the vlog. Alright, so first things first, we have to get changed, because I'm still in my pajamas, so let's go. Alright, so, got my clothes on, gotta get my shoes on though. But yeah, let's go skateboarding. Alright. Alright, let's go. Want to come outside? Do you want to come outside right now? Sure? Alright, go home. Alright. I'll be at my house, alright? Alright, so I'm vlogging right now. Say hello to the Jacobs people. I don't feel like walking. Alright, so I almost forgot to go check if this other kid's home. Go do that. See if he's home. Can you come outside? Alright, I'll be at my house, right? Philip and Milan are coming off too, I think. Alright, I'll see you up there. Alright, stay there, baby. Love you. Alright, here we go. 1. Damn! Alright, try to see how long. Dude, alright guys, so if you don't know, we just dipped on Philip again, because you know, he's that gullible. He's so funny. Wait, let's see if we can see him. Coast is clear. Do you want to try to hop it? Try to hop it. Is he over there? Don't hop it. Don't hop it. No. Savage. Yo, we dipped from him though. That was funny. I can see him. Brick. All brick. Oh, he sees us. He's. Bruh. Let's just let Kobe be Kobe, bruh. Oh my gosh. That was hilarious. Are you ready? You just didn't see that? Yo, Lambo. Go. Yellow Lamborghini, my dude. Lamborghini Merc. Alright guys, so currently my cousin is here. Alright, she is watching us because my parents are going to be home. They're not going to be home for a while. God, focus. Alright, so my cousin's going to be here and I'm going to prank her because it's time. It is time to prank, guys! Alright, so that's zoom up though. Alright, so we're going to go and we're going to get this air horn and we're going to prank my cousin. Alright, Catherine, if you're watching this, this is what you get for all those years of terrorism. You know? It's time, guys. I finally put this thing to use. Let's go. Catherine?
Is that Jake?
Oh yeah. I made a surprise for you.
You did?
Yeah. Just to show you that I love you, you know?
I'm nervous.
Where's my parents? Are they gone?
Your dad left, your mom's upstairs.
Okay. This is for you. Hey guys, I have to show you something. I'm sorry.
Please don't do it again.
I'm
no,
sorry.
Don't do it again.
I won't.
No, stop.
I won't.
Don't do it again.
I promise. I promise I won't. Games. This war has begun, Catherine. Be prepared. Oh my gosh. I got it. Alright, so guys, technically I'm going to prank my cousin the whole time she's here. So, yeah, that was just the first one. It's going to get better, guys. Keep watching. So, guys, I am going through my Halloween decorations, and I'm trying to look for the next prank on Catherine here. I'm trying to look for, like, one of those, like, maybe, like, a spider. A fake spider, you know? I don't know yet. I'm still looking. The prank life is not going so good. I can't find anything. Oh, and by the way, guys, this is my snowboard, okay? I am gonna be shredding so much. Shredding. Oh my gosh. Check out those vlogs too in like February when I go snowboarding. Shredding for days, my dude. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be so. What I think we should just let Catherine be. I already pranked her once, but this should be like a daily thing. Like I should prank someone like every day. I'm trying to think. I want to prank her so bad though. I have an idea. Let's go. Ba 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 ba. Jake! What? I'll keep over there.
Jake! I had to stop the first time when you stop, not keep going.
Jake! Your friend!
Oh my god! That was funny. Admit it, Catherine, that was funny. What's up? What do you guys want?
Milan has to come.
Milan has to come?
Yep.
Melania. Milan! You have to go. You have to go, bud.
Yeah. You're not?
Alright. Alright, see you guys.
Do I have to go?